Understanding floods. Keeping our environment safe. Did you know? Sometimes when it rains a lot, water can fill up the land and cause floods. Floods are when water spreads out and covers areas that are usually dry. Floods can happen near rivers, lakes, or even in cities where there's a lot of concrete and not enough places for the water to go. When floods occur, they can damage homes, roads, and even hurt people and animals. But guess what? We can help prevent floods by taking care of our environment. When we throw trash on the ground, like plastic bags and bottles, it can clog up drains and rivers. This makes it harder for water to flow away when it rains, and it can cause floods. So, what can we do to keep our environment safe and prevent floods? We can start by not littering and always putting our trash in the right place, like a trash can or recycling bin. We can also plant trees and create green spaces to help absorb rainwater and prevent flooding. By working together and taking care of our environment, we can help keep our communities safe from floods and create a cleaner, healthier planet for everyone to enjoy. Let's do our part to protect our environment and prevent floods.